Psalm 146. Praise ye Yahuwah. Praise Yahuwah, O my soul. While I live, I will praise Yahuwah. I will sing praises unto my Elohim while I have any being. Put not your trust in princes, nor in the Son of Man, in whom there is no help. His breath goes forth, he returneth unto his earth. In that very day his thoughts perish. Joyful is he that hath the El of Jacob for his help, whose hope is in Yahuwah his Elohim, which made heaven and earth and the sea and all that therein is, which keepeth truth forever, which executeth judgment for the oppressed, which giveth food to the hungry. Yahuwah looseth the prisoners. Yahuwah openeth the eyes of the blind. Yahuwah raiseth them that are bowed down. Yahuwah loveth the righteous. Yahuwah preserveth the strangers. He relieveth the fatherless and the widow. But the way of the wicked he turneth upside down. Yahuwah shall reign forever, even thy Elohim, O Zion, unto all generations. Praise ye Yahuwah.